Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. Got an unboxing and a giveaway for you today. Today we are unboxing the Boxycharm Premium Box for the month of August. I only know of one of the items in here. It's the one that I picked out. So the rest are all a surprise to me. I do know that one of them we will be giving away in this video. Speaking of giveaways, every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of August, it is the Studio Makeup Easy to Wear eyeshadow palette. I also have a huge one going on right now in honor of our 1,000 subscriber. There's over a $400 value in that. I will put those giveaways as well as my other ones in the description box down below. And I've kind of switched up how I do my giveaways just a little bit. You must be a subscriber and watch the video in its entirety. Somewhere in here will be a secret word that you have to know. And I do all my giveaways on a Google Forms and you just put the secret word on there. So, but here's my one thing for you guys. If you put the secret word in the comments down below, your comment will automatically be deleted and that will also disqualify you from the giveaway, so don't do that. So, but if you guys can do me a huge favor, it would mean a lot to me if you guys like and subscribe and leave a comment what your favorite thing is in this box. It just kind of helps out the algorithm to help promote my video more. So this is the premium box for the month of August. It's $35 for 6 full-size items. I do have a code for Boxycharm if you'd like to check it out. It helps you out, kind of helps me out a little bit as well. It's not a PR box or anything like that. You know, I have paid for this on my own and I can't wait to find out what's inside. So let's get started. And I'll let you know in a little bit what you need to do for the giveaway too. Like I said, somewhere throughout this video will be the secret word for it. So it says Boxycharm Spa, Glamping, Sunbathe, Yoga, Slumber. I need a little glamping time. This is version number 48. You guys, this is one of my favorite retinols. And this was one of the choice items, so I did pick it up. I've tried this many times. Love it, love it, love it. This is the Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. It's A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. It's an advanced strength retinol serum that delivers 6.5 solution of stabilized retinol, blends a botanical retinol alternative extracts into the skin. I do have sensitive skin, you guys. This stuff does not bother me. I do it every other day though. This retails for $85. I can't wait to dive into this. As soon as I'm done with my other retinol, this is going in the routine. So next we have from Ciate, London. You guys, they make my favorite mascara. I wish that they would put their mascara in the description boxes. This is the Editor's Palette. It is the New England shade range. And it's inspired by New England in the fall. The palette features super soft and blendable shadows and a mix of richly pigmented autumn hues. Mix and match the metallic glitters and mattes for effortlessly hazy eye looks. Does retail for $32. Here's what the inner packaging looks like. Oh, you guys, this palette is so pretty. Oh, I hope these swatch and look as good on the eye as they do here. Look at how gorgeous these are. I definitely will do a multi-look use from this palette. And if I can pick it up again in a pop-up, I'll try and do it as one of my monthly eyeshadow palette giveaways as well. Maybe we can do both, time it so that they are the same time. I mean, look at these foils, you guys. So here's that gold shade. Here's kind of a copper mauve. And then let's do one of the blues. This one almost looks like here looks like it's a multi-chrome. Let's see if that's how it swatches. And then let's do this green down here. Let's do those 4. So the gold didn't show up as much as I thought it would. And then these two are so pretty. This one was a little flatter than what I thought it would be. I cannot wait to dive in and do multiple looks for you guys. For that one, let me know if that's something that you are interested in. Let me know that in the comments down below. Ooh, next we have a MAC Cosmetics lipstick. I've never tried one of their lipsticks before. So this one is from the Amplified range, and it's an ultra creamy lipstick formula with a smooth glide, bold colorful payoff, full coverage, and a semi-lustrous finish. Does retail for $19. Mine is in the shade Fast Play, and it's got the bullet look here to it. This is the first time that MAC has been in a Boxycharm. I can't remember it being so, but let me know in the comments down below. Oh, this is so pretty, you guys. Love this creamy nude. Let's swatch that. That's gorgeous. Actually go pretty good with the look that I have on today. Let's see if I can put it over this. I think, look how pretty that is. I really, really like this. Excited for this. And this one does retail for $18. I don't know if I said that or not. So next we have from Laura Geller. It is the Fortifying Lashes Eyelash Primer. It retails for $24, and the creator of Spackle and expert in primers introduces the newest innovation in priming your lashes. Unlike other white colored lash primers, this black tinted formula blends with your mascara or can be worn alone for a natural lash look. The one I do use is a white primer, and that way you can just tell if you got it everywhere, is what I kind of like about it. But if you do want to wear it on your own, I can see where you'd want, obviously, to do the black. Here's what this looks like. I'm not going to open this yet because I am trying to finish up the other one that I have. From Too Faced is the Born This Way setting powder. The setting powder provides a well of perfecting luminosity for a finish so natural they'll think that you were born this way. The formula is infused with hyaluronic acid, which gives smoother, more youthful appearance. Does retail for $33. Mine is in the shade Translucent. Here's what the inner packaging looks like. So I'm really light-handed on my powder, so it takes me forever to go through one. So this will go once I'm done with one. I think I got a Becca one that I'm trying to finish up now. The After Spa Slip-On Exfoliator is a self-exfoliant that cleanses the body, removing dead skin cells that need to be carefully removed. Does retail for $18. So I love how you can just kind of put your fingers in here and then just kind of exfoliate all over your body. Super cute. I love how innovative it is. Secret word of the day alert, glamping. So I think this is what we're gonna do for our giveaway. So like I said, they're really easy. Like the video, must be subscribed. I do check to make sure that you are subscribed when I pick the winner. I do all of my giveaways on a Google form link. I'll put that in this description box down below. Make sure to click it, fill it out in its entirety. Make sure that you put that secret word in, and then also your YouTube names. That way you can check to make sure that you are subscribed. And then I'll do a random number generator that go ahead and picks the winner. I don't know why is that winter? Maybe I'm thinking that it's 100 degrees outside and I could use a little cold. So let's have this giveaway go through September 15th. On September 16th, I'll go ahead and use that random number generator to pick the winner. If you want 2 extra bonus entries, go follow me over on Instagram. That'll give you a bonus entry. And then as well as if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. I'm really trying to grow this channel here. It is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, lost in transit, damaged, anything like that for it to get to you. I love my international subscribers. I do these as just kind of a way to be a ray of sunshine in this crazy world for you. I love doing giveaways. Some of you have dubbed me the queen of giveaways, and I'll take that. You guys mean so much to me, and I can't thank you enough for, you know, all the positive feedback. I love chatting with you guys back and forth, and it's all really positive here, and I try to maintain that and just be in like an uplifting spirit for one of you guys. So YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos if you have the time. I greatly appreciate it. I'm really trying hard to get my watch time minutes up so I can get it monetized. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Please take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.